In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Hulu in Australia using a VPN, so you can access US-only content. Let's get started. To watch Hulu, start by subscribing to a reliable VPN, like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. Download and install the VPN app on your device, phone, tablet, computer, or streaming device. Log in and connect to a US-based server to bypass geo restrictions. Once connected, visit hulu.com and sign up for a subscription if you don't already have one. After creating your account, log in to the Hulu app or website and start streaming your favorite shows and movies. For offline viewing, download eligible content while connected to Wi-Fi and access it later in the Downloads section. Alternatively, check Disney Plus or Star, as some Hulu originals may be available there. Ensure your internet connection is stable and your VPN optimized for streaming to avoid interruptions. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy streaming Hulu in Australia.